briefly tell the parents what has been your experience applying these methods. How long would it have taken for you to memorize, understand, and then express and articulate these 15 diseases without using the methods, and what helped you?
I think that it might have usually taken me like a couple days or a week or something, and instead I was able to do it in like 1 hour pretty much. And so I feel like it's really like accelerated my learning and just helped me, like it's way easier than I thought it would be.
Right. Apply the technique that you learned here. How long would this have taken?
Probably maybe like a week or two. Over that.
All right. And you want to tell them how long it took for you to commit to memory these 15?
It took me about an hour.
So from a week or over a week to an hour. All right. Great job. One more round of applause. Let the audience know what changed for you.
Well, with the things that we've learned, like I'm more confident that I can learn things in short periods of time, and I don't have to spend all night studying for tests, and I can remember them for a long time. So.
All right. Great job.
Those are the 100 digits of pi. I learned these 100 digits using wave techniques in probably within an hour. Without these wave techniques, it would have taken me much longer.
All right, Kevin, did you ever see this before the workshop in your life? Did you ever, so what grade are you in?
I'm going to 10th grade.
Going to 10th grade. Did you ever imagine yourself going through a couple days of training, not even a couple days, because in those 2 days we did a lot more than just this. So maybe in an hour and a half of training on how our brain works, what triggers our right brain. Did you ever think this was possible?
How much time did you take to buy her this?
Like 30 or 45 minutes.
Wow.
You please share with the parents what was the process before and after?
So the idea behind it is I have to connect the words to common day images. For example, a good one would be dogmatic. Dogmatic is the aggressive assertion of unproven principles. And I think of a rabid dog, which is very aggressive. And so those are like images I think of for each word. And that helps me like remember important definitions. And I think this will really help me in the future because I'm going to take the SAT in a few months. So.
Right. So before you learned the process, how long did you think this is going to take? And after the process, what's going on?
So before the process, I would just keep on just repeating the word and the definition over and over again until it's in my brain. But like I would probably forget it in a week. But through this, I can remember it forever because I'm making connections to everyday life.
And the duration, using the previous method, how long do you think it would have taken versus now?
I can learn this in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Thanks a lot, Mike. How long did it take to know about these and be able to recall it that fast?
It actually took like 45 minutes to an hour.
And how much would it have taken otherwise if you had not learned all the techniques?
Probably a lot longer.
All right, do you see? Why don't you explain what that you learned from this workshop helped you prepare this beautiful presentation about thermodynamics?
So, Coach here, he taught us some mnemonics for me personally. He taught me the sprockets. So, I changed it up a bit because I wanted to add more
That's exactly
words.
What I wanted you to use.
So, T is thermodynamics, H is heat, E, I think I switched out the E for thermal energy, so E is energy. Yeah. S is system, P is potential energy, R is radiation, C is calorie, K is kinetic energy, E is endothermic and exothermic reactions, S is specific heat, and then I added Zeek, that's not a word, but Z-E-E-K, Z is absolute zero, E is enthalpy, E is entropy, and K is Kelvin.
All right. figuring the right brain and all of that, all this information that he shared with all of you, he already had it in him, and most of our children have it. What they struggle with is recall. So if you give them simple tools and resources, everything that's in there waiting to come out finds a structure, finds a path, finds an easy, meaningful, contextual method in which all of it can be articulated and expressed. I mean, did he beautifully explain thermodynamics? Yes. Great job.